My name is Brent Flabiano. I'm with American Terrazzo Company out of Dallas, Texas. Our firm has been around for close to 100 years. The story is my grandfather came across from Italy, as many of the other terrazzo contractors in the NTMA. Started with a suitcase in his hand, did contracting work, and basically settled in Dallas in the 40s. And so we've been there ever since and doing terrazzo work on multiple projects and stuff like that. So we actually started contracting in the late 1920s. So good history with it. I'm third generation terrazzo guy. We got fourth generation coming up through the business, which is good to know. And this goes back into the 70s with the city of Dallas, the new city hall. NTMA was involved with that project, and he personally came down with his assistant, and when we were making samples, so we made probably 50 samples of the same shade of terracotta color, and he ended up choosing that and helping my uncle actually choose some of the colors and so forth, putting them in the cement, the different amounts of color in there. So very unique project too. It's a one color project, but it's so unique to him and the structure itself, and probably one of his signature projects. So that was another,